bite has slowed down, but I do see fish, fairly shallow. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to see if I can chum up some red snapper. More than likely, if something takes it, it's going to be an amberjack. The one that took it earlier absolutely smoked it. That was a no kidding legal size AJ if they were in season, because I never slowed him down. And this drag is super tight. You can't give them much wiggle room out here, because if you do, they will take you into the wreck with ease. You can see that red snapper right there. So what you're seeing here is the chum is bringing red snapper, amberjack, and even some mangrove snapper up from the wreck. And the idea is you want to pitch a weightless hook with a chunk of cigar minnow on it into the chum in hopes that it's going to trick one of these red snapper into biting. There's a couple red snapper. So let's see if we can get lucky, and let's see if one of the snapper will take it instead of an AJ. And now we just wait and hold on. Give it some more line. Keep sinking with the rest of them. It's about to get tight. Oh, somebody had it in his mouth. There we go. The damn amberjack. I think these red snapper are scared of the leader. Nope. I did get one of these red snapper. And just like that, I've got a new trick up my sleeve for the next time the bite slows down. That's a nice one. Have not caught one like that before.